Who is she? Hey guys, Chelsie Jayy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a chit chat get ready with me Sunday fun day edition. If you want to see the makeup and the outfit for this video, make sure that you keep on watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up, girl, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed already, go ahead and do that right now. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the look. Today we're going to be doing a Sunday fun day chit chat get ready with me brunch edition. I'm pretty sure, I think I've seen somebody do like a Sunday fun day brunch get ready with me, but I was just like, hey, this would be fun to do because the girls are outside. Okay, period. My hair probably looks crazy. I did burn myself like right here. Let's just go ahead and get into the look. So I am going to be using a few new products because I did get some things in PR the other day. So I want to show you guys a few things that I'll be using, well, trying out. This is my first time trying some of these products. So the first thing that we're going to go into is primer. We're going to start with the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Primer. I just received this in PR like a few days ago. So I was like, and I actually was going to purchase this. And I'm so glad. Huda girl. I'm so glad y'all seen me and was like, let me send her some product. Because I actually do love their products. I tried out their foundation before. And I've also tried out their setting powder. You know, I love their setting powder. But yeah, so we're going to be testing out, well, not testing out, but we're going to be trying out the water jelly. So next we're going to go into the brows. You guys know I love the Anastasia Brow Freeze. This is really bomb. So if you have not tried it, give it a try. I highly recommend it. It's not like a super hold, so it's not going to give you like a like you just put some, I don't know, like, you know how people be putting some harsh stuff on their brows? Like, it's not going to give you that effect. It's going to be, like, real light, like a light hold. So I'm just going to apply this. I'm going to probably do my brows off camera just to save time. Or if I do it on camera, I may just insert the clips so you guys can see. My brows need some help. If you're in Atlanta, girl, let me know who you go to get your brows done. Because my brows, I be trying to do them myself. And I can honestly say, I need help. Like, I cannot do this by myself at all. So I'm using the Precisely My Brow pencil. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. You guys know that this is my jam, okay? I love the Precisely My Brow. So I'm just going to start applying this to the brows. Okay, so now that the brows are pretty much done, once we move to the foundation, I'm going to like clean the top up, but just stay with me, okay? I need to find my Laneige lip sleeping mask. If you've been watching my videos, girl, you already know that that's my girl, okay? So my lips may look a little crusty the entire time, but you know. I'm just going to add just a little bit of powder onto the primer because at this point it's pretty much set in. I'm going to take my powder puff, all of my brushes and stuff, girl, they dirty, okay? So I'm just gonna take this powder just to set my face so that I won't have a lot of creasing, because like I did say, I am an oily person, so I have to add a little bit of powder onto my primer whenever it's like a hydrating primer. But I only wanted to use this, I only wanted to use the Huda Beauty because they sent it to me, and so I was like, why not? Next, we're going to move into the foundation. So for foundation today, I'm going to take my favorite. This is the Anastasia foundation. This is their luminous foundation. I really like it. I haven't seen a lot of people talk bad about this foundation. I even use this on my clients. But yeah, girl, that's what we're using today. That's in the shade 410C. I like my foundations just a little bit darker so that once I blend everything in, like my concealer and everything, it's not super light. I don't like a light, like, ashy face. I don't know who like that, but I don't like no ashy face, okay? Like how it's looking right now, it's looking a little bit ashy because I have that powder on, but I typically try to stay away from, like, too light foundations. I don't even know if I look like myself. I've been seeing myself in that blonde hair for so long, and it's just like, who is she? Yeah, you guys will have to let me know what you all are doing for Sunday Fun Day. Outside is open. Okay, it is open. It's been open here in Atlanta, respectfully. So it really hasn't been a big difference because it's been like this. My skin has been looking extra, I don't know, it just has not been doing what I needed to do. And I needed to get right because I'm going to be 26 in a few weeks on July 6th. So it's like I'm trying to get I just want to, like, enter a new chapter into my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to elevate. Like, this next chapter of my life is about elevation. So it's really personal to me. So I really just have to, I need to work on my skin, first of all. And I drink water. That's the thing. Like, I drink water. I don't drink a lot, like alcohol and stuff. I don't drink like that. So I don't know why my skin is not giving what it was supposed to have gave. And I'm sick of it. So you guys will have to let me know what's your plans. Are you going out for brunch? Like, what does your Sunday Fun Day look like? Like, is it self-care? That could be Sunday Fun Day. I'm always here for a good self-care moment. I will do self-care every day, honestly, with no problem. I want to do a self-care video for you guys too when I move, because the aesthetics would just be a lot better than where I am right now. Because I don't know, I really just want like an up-to-date apartment and everything like that. Like, I want everything to look really modern. So yeah, I'm gonna do a self-care routine for you guys. And I think because I know I talked about it in my last video about what I was gonna do, I think I'm just gonna go ahead, break down, and get the camera. Y'all already know, like, a camera in general costs a lot of money, so it's not cheap. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take the investment, because makeup videos are cool. Like, I like Get Ready With Me a lot, but I just feel like it'll really just open you guys up to, like, my life if I'm able to vlog and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna be working on that for y'all. And plus, like, my favorite videos right now from other content creators are vlogs. Like, I love a good vlog. I don't know about y'all, but the vlogs be hitting. Okay. I'm adding just a little bit more foundation because I am breaking out, so I want, like, a more full coverage look. So next we're going to move into concealer. So I'm going to go with a darker concealer first. I'm just going to take just a little bit of the 4.1 Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. This is another favorite of mine. It's a little bit closer to my skin tone. I know it may not look like it on camera, but in person it is. So I kind of like, lately I've been liking a more brighter under eye. So in the center of my nose, I'm going to use the Kevin Aquan, but I'm just going to use a little bit of my foundation to mix it, because you guys know I bought the wrong shade. I have SX03. So yeah, I ordered it from there, but it's definitely the wrong shade. Let me show you, girl. Girl, who did I think I was? I don't know. I'm going to spray just a little bit of this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Well, this is a Grip Set Refresh spray. I'm going to spray just a little of this before I start blending everything out. I like to cover up my lashes because it's almost time for a fill. I feel like I just got my lashes done, and now it's almost time for a fill. So like I mentioned before, I do like a little bit of a brighter under eye. So I'm taking that Kevin Aquan that I mixed with my foundation, and I'm just going underneath my eye. And that's just going to make it brighter once I start to contour. So for contour, I'm going to take my cream contour stick. This is in the shade Walnut. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I like to take my cream contour and blend it up into the brow. That's just the look that I like. Of course, if you don't like that look, then you could just miss this step. But I just like to bring it into the brow because it really just contours the face well. Contours my face pretty well. So I like to just bring it up and across my lid. So to set the face, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty powder in the shade Banana Bread. And it's going to be this powder right here. I'm just going to take it and start setting underneath my face, underneath my eye. So now I'm applying just a little bit of my Fenty Beauty. This is the butter. I'm just taking this to brighten up my under eye a little bit. I like to do this step because I just like that look right now. That could change in like a few months, but for right now, I do like it. I'm just gonna keep it simple because I have Black Radiance right here, so I'm just gonna use that. Black Radiance girl. Hey girl, if you want to, you know, do a sponsorship, I'm over here. I'm here, okay? But I really do love this Black Radiance powder. You guys know I've been using this for quite some time. I'm just going to take this because I like a real warm look whenever I'm doing my makeup. I don't like to look like that olivey shade because I feel like I have more warm undertones. Warm yellow undertones. So, yeah. And I feel like some powders, some bronzers, they give you like that olivey the olivey shade, and that's just not something that I like. So next we're gonna go in back into the Huda Beauty powder. I'm only using this to cut my face, well, not cut my face, but cut my cheeks so that we can have like a more defined contour. So while we let that kind of settle in, I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. This is in the shade, couldn't be. There's no, that's, girl. Wow. This whole time, y'all, I've been like, why is my powder not doing what I need to do, right? This is definitely the wrong shade. This whole time, I've had this powder for about a month. And I said, man, and this is the shade that the lady had gave to me. I was like, it's a little bit darker than I'm used to. But this is the wrong shade. This is in the shade Mahogany. I prefer the shade Tan whenever I'm setting the rest of my face. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to get a new powder today. Ghetto. See, I had no idea this whole time. And I'm like, and I'm thinking, you ever thought to yourself like, this ain't really hitting the way it usually hits? And then that's why. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my setting powder and just kind of dust around my face. So the gag is, it has stopped, my camera has stopped recording, and I don't even know what part it stopped on. So I know we did blush. I can pick up with you guys on blush. So I got the Laura Mercier Passion Fruit blush, and it looks like this in the inside. I'm so sorry, y'all, but we're gonna still make it work. Okay, this is the Laura Mercier Passion Fruit, and then we're gonna move into lips, and we're gonna do outfit. So yeah, we're gonna make it do what it needs to do. Oh, also for setting spray, I use the Airbrush Flawless Charlotte Tilbury spray. Highly recommend this spray. It does make your makeup look really flawless and set into the skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lips, and then we can move on to the outfit. Liner, I'm gonna take my BFF3 lip liner. This is by Colourpop. Highly recommend this lip liner if you have not tried it. Definitely try it out, girl, because it's like a nice cork dupe. But for lips, I did something. I didn't really talk about it because I kind of tried it out. I used the remaining concealer that I had from the Kevyn Aucoin, and I applied it on my lips just to see what it would look like, you know, just trying stuff out. And it's okay. It looked okay. I'm going to apply a little bit of, this is my favorite, Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss by NYX Cosmetics. I'm just going to use this to add like that nude look to my lips. Okay, so let me change right quick. Of course, do my hair. Let me do my hair, change right quick, and then we'll be back to close out the video. Okay, guys, so that is the finished look. We're giving elegant, we're giving classy, okay? We're giving a little shoulder out. This shirt is so cute. It's from Zara. You guys are gonna see once I insert the clip of me trying on the outfit and showing you guys what I would wear to brunch. But it's giving grown woman, it's giving sexy, it's giving all of that and above. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed my chit chat get ready with me, featuring my makeup and outfit. This is perfect for Sunday fun day. This is the purpose of the video, so I can show you guys what I will wear, what I'm gonna be wearing on Sunday fun day. Okay, we outside all summer, period. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, show some love in the comment section, because I'm always in the comments and I truly do enjoy when you guys leave some encouraging comments in the comment section, so make sure that you drop some love. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.